welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hello, my name is TheShai. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get really quick effortless waves. I posted a picture on Instagram and a lot of you guys liked the waves, the curls, so I'm just going to quickly show you guys how I get them. Super easy, super quick. My inches are like 26 on this unit, so it does take me a little bit long, but I'm not going to say more than 30 minutes. Like, it's pretty quick. Oh my gosh, I feel like I look not so different, but my eyes look so much smaller without lashes. It's because they're quite small anyway. But let's get into the video. So today I'm just going to be refreshing the curls that I already have, just to show you guys how to like get it. But usually I start on freshly washed hair and just get it done. I don't use heat protectant spray. Don't drag me in the comments. I just, honestly, it's an extra thing to pay for. It's not my real hair. I don't have to protect it that much. I've actually had this unit for a very long time. This unit is probably about a year old. I've seen a lot of people in my last video asking me, oh my gosh, the wig, the hair. Yeah, this hair is like 12 months old basically. So I usually just start doing it in sections. So I kind of just take like a back section. Excuse me if my lace is lifted up a little bit. I did use the spray today, so it's not the most like the best hold. So once I kind of part it into two sections like this, I just use a Denman brush, go through it, make sure there's no knots or anything, no snags. Just get it really nice and smooth. Usually I apply this tresseme oil. It's a tresseme keratin smooth marula oil. It's like such a light oil, like it's so nice. It makes your hair have a nice shine to it. It's not too shiny, but just like a nice luster. I've applied it probably about a week ago and my hair looks pretty good. Like, I don't feel like I need to add any more. So to curl the hair, I use this very old, I think this is the Remington pearl wand. Really old model, not sure if they even still do this, but just any like nice curling one. I usually put it on the highest temperature just because I want the curls out of the way. I'm not here to be sitting here for 10 hours. I'm not gonna give you measurements 1/3 or 1/5. Just take a nice chunk. Usually I probably do about 3 curls on each section, so I take around this much. Just take the curling wand. I usually put it behind me this way, and then I just wrap it around until I run out of hair. I don't really time it. It's just when my hand hurts or when I'm ready to just take my hand down. So you want to make sure the heat can kind of penetrate in to all the strands. I'll give it another 10 seconds. Okay, so that is the little curl that I got. Try and like keep the hair separate. If you have like a little like pin, just pin it there. And I'm just gonna split this section into 2. I literally do the same thing. It's super easy, quick to do. Just hold on to the end. Let it go, let it go, let it go. And that's how it looks at the end. Excuse my lace if it's lifting. It probably is. I can see it kind of is, yeah. But it is what it is. Not every day is a perfect hair day. I'm going to show you guys how I put it on the wand. So you're going to bring the hair and you're kind of gonna like, I want you guys to see, I'm kind of gonna twist it like that. So you guys see how I put my hand? I kind of went like that and then wrap. I don't even know how to explain this to you guys, but all I can do is show you. So I'm taking the hair, wrapping it this way, and then wrapping it around, doing the same thing every time, just like that. I hope you guys got what I meant. Like, I'm kind of twisting the hair onto the wand. I'm just gonna hold it for maybe around 15-20 seconds. Again, I don't really count. I kind of just, I don't know, I get a feeling in my spirit to like let it go. And that's the wave pattern we have. So yeah, I'm just gonna quickly do the rest, speed it up, and I'll be back in a bit.
Now I know our love ain't deeper than attraction. How wish I knew this from the very beginning. But now you're just doing too much. Buying me clothes is not love. I need your time and some trust. Doesn't take much to see you ain't here with me. He said, got a face of an angel, always looking pretty from different angles. Girl, I wear you like a bangle, never take you off cause you're that special. So he says, but I just can't trust his answers. I'm still feeling hurt. just keep on proving me wrong. So much I gave. What did that?
Alright, so now I'm at the top. I've just got the last two at the top to do. So with the top sections, I curl them towards my face rather than behind. So I'm just going to bring this in front and then bring it like around towards me like this. Be careful, you don't want to burn your forehead, so just hold it, just like that. Just like a quick curl because I want it to be pretty loose up top. I'm just gonna cross. That kind of hurt. Do the same I did to this side. So I'm gonna leave them for a couple of minutes and just finesse the top of my hair because obviously it's not flat, it's not laid, and we need it to be. So I just put on my hot comb, just kind of going like that, comb through just here and then kind of press it so it just goes really flat. Be careful not to burn yourself. You can literally feel the heat on my actual hair, and as you can see, that's pretty flat now. So now I feel like I'm ready to start the brushing process. So I'm just gonna literally comb from bottom to top. Just gonna grab one side and start combing. So literally, ooh, brush it out. You guys see how it's getting that like very effortless kind of messy look. Ooh. Work your way up. Oh, let me move this. And just work your way up. Top here. You can see it's become so much more loose and pretty and just effortless. You guys can literally see what it's creating. Super pretty, super nice curls. I wouldn't even call these curls, again, they're like waves. Okay, so that's the general gist of the curls. I usually go in with my styling wax, my keracare, and take away some of the flyaways on top. I just control the ones like by my part and like by my baby hairs, and I kind of just like that, kind of brush it in. As you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can tell, it's gotten a little bit more shiny up there. So yeah, that is basically the hair done. Just want to show you guys really quick how I get these quick bombshell effortless waves. Literally this took me probably around 30 minutes altogether. It is pretty long, it is quite a lot of hair. You guys can see it has a good nice amount of body, but yeah, this is it. I'm just gonna get up and show you guys again. Kind of put it over your shoulder. That's kind of what it gives you. So yeah, that wraps up the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. It was just a nice little quick hair tutorial. Hopefully it was easy to understand. I think it's pretty easy to follow. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching as usual, and I'll see you guys in my next one.